We will be continuing with module 2, and this time around we are still working with images and sound manipulation. And when we merge images together, pictures, it can be rendered, that is the final product. The final production can be a GIF, that is graphic interchange format, GIF, or a video file. So if it is going to be GIF, which is just a kind of frame or picture file that is going to be played with no music, no sound, then the option to choose is GIF, and that can be done here. You can see on top here where there is AI UHD. UHD means ultra high definition, artificial intelligence, ultra high definition. So we can come here and pick GIF, that is GIF. Then whatever resolution that is needed, maybe 240 pixels, which is a standard resolution, it can be selected, or 320 pixels, which is on the high side, or ultra high pixel, which is 640 pixels. So it depends on what is being done. Especially most of these they give images, they are needed on the website. You can create them and incorporate them into a website, so that as your web page is displaying content, your animated images too, they are displayed in a motion form. So if what is being worked on is not from the perspective of a GIF, then video is there to switch to. And these are the parameters that one can toggle or change depending on what is to be achieved. If it is 720 pixels, which is high definition, then it has been selected. If it is 1080 pixel, one can easily just toggle to it, but it will be on the high side. If the frame rate is like 50, 60, what just needs to be done is to just toggle or move the slider to where it is needed. But as it is with what I'm doing, these settings is okay. So I'll go back to the project. So we are working on the images and sound manipulation. So we've used sound effects the last time. If I play again, you'll see. But this time around, does that mean it is only pre-installed sound that can be used? No. If we already have our own sound on the device, then what can be done is to come to this side and we'll tap on sound. You could see Outborn, Vlog, Christmas. These are sounds powered by CapCut, but we don't want them. We want our own sound already stored on the device. So what we need to do is to click on this, tap on this folder, and you will see two options. Either you extract audio from video or from the device. So I am not extracting from video, which is possible, but rather I have sound on my device that I want to use. So I'll just tap on this device, see all the sounds I have on my device. I need this forest ambience. Remember, you need this when you're working on the computer system. So this is needed. You just tap on this plus sign to select it. So the sound is there. So if we play back, you will hear our sounds now. You could see the two sounds are playing, and even the sounds, they are longer than the pictures. So in that regard, what can be done? We can cut it and we can delete it. As this is now, to cut, it is just about moving the slider to where it is going to be cut. We select it. It has been selected like this. Split. The one that is not needed, what we need to do is select it and delete. The one that is needed, we can silence it totally. What we need to do is to click on volume, draw the slider downward. As you see, as it is playing, you are not hearing that sound effect again, except the sound of the forest. And if I increase the sound, I've reduced the sound of that music that is playing on the background, so that the sound of this forest will be louder compared to the music sound. The sound can fade in and it can also fade out. So to do that is simply to select it, and if you listen to it carefully, at the beginning the sound is just, let me silence this totally. If you listen to this, you'll see that as it is, the sound just started like that. So but once it is fading in, that is at the beginning, it won't just start like that. It will start with a silence. Then it will begin. So let me just draw this like this. See? That's what that one does. At the same time, I can come to the hand and also do the same thing, fade it out. So that at the end, towards the end, you won't hear the whole sound again. So let's play there. Can you see? So that is how to the forest. Let me increase the sound again. So that is how to work on the sound, to manipulate, to adjust, to increase, to split, in fact to delete, whichever way you want it. So thank you.